So how important is white teeth, fresh breath, and a nice smile? Today, we're going to talk about it. Welcome back to Gents Lounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. We are here every week talking about men's fashion, lifestyle, and today, dental hygiene. Now, we know that the first thing that people notice about you is your smile, how white your teeth are, and if they happen to get close enough, how your breath smells. So it's always good to go above and beyond with your dental hygiene to make sure all of those aspects are on point. Today we have partnered with our friends over at H2o Floss to talk about their brand new water flosser, which has been a game changer for me personally. I have been using a water flosser for about 5 years now, and it was always this huge contraption that had to sit on your bathroom counter. It wasn't portable, and honestly, it just took up a lot of space. Now this one from H2o Floss is completely portable, rechargeable, and waterproof. So I like to use it in the shower because if you've ever used a water flosser before, you know that the spray can get a little out of hand and your mouth tends to fill up with water quite quickly. So it is nice to have a place to drain in the shower. And my wife likes that it takes up less space on the bathroom counter. Now, if you've never used a water flosser before, water flossers can remove more plaque than traditional floss, though it is still good to do both. Water flossers are more gentle around the gums. Now, if you're a person with braces or just a person that gets a lot of food stuck in their teeth, a water flosser is going to be a game changer for you. So how it works is you start by filling this bottom reservoir up with water, and then once you turn it on, it concentrates water up this little tube and will shoot little pressurized bursts of water into your gum line and in the crevices of your teeth, removing any plaque or debris that might be inside. Now, there is 5 different settings from low to high depending on your tolerance. If you are new to a water flosser, I highly recommend starting on low and working your way up. Along with the multiple speed settings, there is also a built-in 2-minute timer, so you know exactly how long to floss. Now, another thing I love about the H2o Floss in particular is that it has this patented gravity ball design. So when you're water flossing around your mouth and tilting this in all different directions, the gravity ball will remain on the bottom where the majority of the water is. So not only does the gravity ball keep the water flowing through the H2o Floss, the head also rotates 360 degrees to get that perfect angle anywhere in your mouth. And this new design has upgraded the waterproofing performance so you can feel comfortable using it in any situation. On its highest setting, the water pressure gets up to 110 psi, which is plenty of pressure to get any of that plaque and debris off your gum line. And then when you're done, you can detach the water tank, dump it out, and it's very easy to clean. So obviously, flossing is going to help your teeth and gums look great, but we talked about fresh breath and whitening teeth, right? And you ask, how can a water flosser do that? Well, the H2o Floss comes with this special attachment where you can put whitening and freshening tabs into this little compartment right here. And as you're water flossing, it is injecting whitening and a nice scented liquid into your mouth. So every time you water floss, you are whitening and freshening your breath with these little tablets. I tend to use these tablets in the morning before starting my day, but you can use them either day or night. Now, I just started using these tablets about a week ago, but you can already see a difference. Not only does the H2o Floss come with your standard jet tips and the dedicated whitening tip, it also has an orthodontic tip for those of you with braces, a periodontal tip, a tongue cleaner, and even a toothbrush. If you're a person that travels a lot and is always on the go, this will be perfect because all your dental hygiene is covered in one device. The H2o Floss is much quieter than any water flosser I've ever used in the past. A lot of the times they sound like straight up lawnmowers in your bathroom, and it can be kind of annoying first thing in the morning if you're just waking up and you're a little cranky. The H2o Floss is much quieter and just has a nice gentle hum to it. You can hear it, but it is very quiet. So remember, dental hygiene is so important because it is one of the first things people notice about you. I know we have been on Zoom and not around people for the last few years, but things are changing and it's time to get out there and make sure your dental hygiene is on point. So that pretty much wraps up the video. If you want to check out the H2o Floss water flosser for yourself, click the link in the description below and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.